Have you ever typed a comment on YouTube, hit send, and then nothing? It's like you're talking to yourself, and it's beyond frustrating. But don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down why your comments might not be showing up on YouTube and how you can fix it. The first and most common reason is something called a shadow ban. YouTube's algorithm might flag your comment as spam, even if it's perfectly innocent. This often happens if you include links, use flagged words, or post a really long comment. The tricky part? You can still see your comment, but no one else can. If you think this is happening, try simplifying your comment. Avoid links, cut down on words, and see if it shows up. Another reason is moderation settings. Some creators hold comments for review, which means they won't show up until they approve them. It's also worth checking how the comments are sorted. If you're looking under top comments, yours might be buried. Switch to newest first, and you might find it there. Now, what if the entire comment section is missing? There are a few possibilities here. The creator might have disabled comments entirely, especially on videos that are kid-friendly or prone to spam. It could also be a glitch on YouTube's end. Sometimes, the platform runs into issues or maintenance, and features like comments temporarily vanish. If that's the case, there's not much you can do but wait. Lastly, it might be an account-specific bug. Try switching to a different account or opening YouTube in incognito mode. If comments show up that way, you'll know the issue is with your account. If comments are disappearing on your YouTube channel, the issue might be in your settings. YouTube's moderation system sometimes hides comments even when there's nothing wrong with them. Check your channel settings to make sure you don't have any weird filters or keywords flagged. Sometimes, it's just a temporary glitch. Try clearing your browser's cache, switching devices, or using a different browser to see if that fixes it. If not, reaching out to YouTube support might be your next best step. And there you go. Those are the most common reasons why comments disappear on YouTube and what you can do to fix them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more tips and fixes like this one.